In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search for volatility indicators on TradingView Deriv. Whether you're new to trading or a seasoned trader looking to refine your strategies, knowing how to find and utilize these indicators can significantly improve your market analysis and decision-making process. First, you'll want to navigate to the TradingView website. TradingView is a widely used platform that offers extensive charting and analysis tools, making it a favored choice for many traders around the globe. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account, or if you're new, create one. Having an account will allow you to save your analysis and access more advanced features, which can be particularly useful when you're tracking your trading progress over time. After you've logged in and are on the main screen, move your cursor up towards the top of the page and locate the Chart button. Clicking this will take you to a comprehensive charting interface. This section is where most of your analysis and trading action will occur. It might look a little overwhelming at first due to the variety of options and data displayed. However, everything is logically organized for ease of navigation. On the left side of the chart, you'll find a toolbar with all sorts of drawing and analysis tools, and it's here that much of the magic happens. Now let us focus on what we came here for: volatility indicators. Begin by looking for the Indicators tab at the top of the chart. It should be located along a series of other buttons such as Alerts and Compare. When you click on Indicators pages, a new window will pop up featuring a broad collection of indicators that you can use to enhance your trading strategies. TradingView houses a vast library of built-in technical indicators as well as the ability to create custom scripts or indicators, providing you with a rich resource for your trading arsenal. In the Indicators search bar, type in the keyword volatility. Doing so will filter the list down to only show indicators related to market volatility. These can include tools like, but not necessarily limited to, Bollinger Bands, Average True Range, ATR, or any specific volatility indices you might be looking for. It's pivotal to understand the nature of these tools, as they help you gauge price fluctuations within the market and can be crucial in identifying potential entry and exit points in your trades. Once you see the list, read through the brief descriptions to determine which indicator aligns best with your current trading strategies. Click on the name of the indicator you wish to add, and it will instantly appear on your chart, ready for analysis. Feel free to adjust the indicator's settings to better fit your trading style, as customization is a vital part of making indicators work effectively for your individual needs. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive approach to finding and implementing volatility indicators on TradingView Deriv. This skill can dramatically enhance your analysis and give you a stronger understanding of market conditions, thus improving your trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.